Good morning, students. Welcome to your Data Communication and Computer Network class. Today, I will discuss a new unit, that is data encoding. In this video, I will discuss about introduction to different type of data encoding. Digital data to digital signal, analog data to digital data to analog signal, and analog data to analog signal. So let's start. So, data encoding. What is encoding? First of all, in communication, we send information from one device to another device, but we cannot send the data as it is. Encoding is a process of converting that data or a given sequence of characters, symbol, alphabetics, etc. into a specified format for the secure transmission of data. Means encoding is a process by which we convert our data into the format by which the transmission is possible. Means we convert data to signals. Okay, and data encoding technique is mainly divided into four categories. First one is digital data to digital signal. Okay, digital data to digital signal. And the second one is analog data to digital signal. Then digital data to analog signal and analog data to analog signal. Okay, so let's first discuss digital data to digital signals. The simplest form of digital encoding of digital data is to assign one voltage label to binary 1 and another to binary 0. Means in previous video I have discussed about what is analog signal and digital signal. So we have to convert the digital data to digital signals. So digital data maybe consist of 0 and 1. Then we have to assign one voltage level to 0 and another voltage level to 1. It is less complex and less expensive than digital to analog modulation equipment. Okay. Then the next encoding process is analog data to digital signal. Analog data means the voice, the video, okay, are often digitized to be able to use digital transmission facility. So the simplest technique is PCM. Okay. To convert the analog data to digital signal, mostly we used the simplest technique is pulse code modulation, that is PCM, which involves sampling the analog data and quantifying the samples. So by using PCM, we can convert our analog data to digital signal. Then the third one is digital data to analog signal. A modem converts the digital data to analog signal so that it can be transmitted over an analog line. Okay, so the device modem which convert the digital data to analog signal by which it can transmitted over an analog line. Some transmission media such as optical fiber and unguided media will only propagate analog signal. So we also need to convert the digital data to analog signal. And the last encoding procedure is analog data to analog signal. Analog data are modulated by a carrier frequency to produce an analog signal in a different frequency band, which can be utilized on an analog transmission system. Means to use the analog transmission system, we must have to convert the analog data to analog signals. So we will discuss all the procedure, how how to encode the digital data to digital signal and analog data to digital signal, digital data to analog signal. We will discuss one by one. Okay. So this is the conversion method, means to digital encoding we use unipolar method, unipolar, okay, polar, then bipolar, multi-label and multi-transition. So these are the method to convert the digital data to digital signals. Then analog to digital encoding. To convert the analog data to digital encoding, we use PCM and DM. Okay. Then next is digital to analog encoding, means from digital data to analog signal. So here we use ASK, FSK and PSK. So ASK means amplitude shift keying, then FSK means frequency shift keying and pulse shift keying. So these are the process to convert the digital data to analog signal. Then analog to analog data to analog signals. In this encoding, we use amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and pulse modulation. So these are the different encoding technique by which we can convert the data, analog and digital data to analog and digital signals. And we will discuss it one by one. So now let us discuss about digital data to digital signals. To convert digital data into digital signal, we use two techniques. First one is line encoding. First technique is line encoding and the second technique is block encoding. So first, what is digital data to digital signal encoding? In computer, we use digital data. All the text, all the numerics, graphics, all represent through digital data, that is binary data 0 and 1. Then an encoder is used to convert the digital data into digital signal. And at the encoder, at the sender side, it is used to convert the digital data to digital signal. And at the receiver side, a decoder is used to convert the digital signal into digital data. Okay. And to convert the digital data into digital signal, we use line coding. So in the next class, I will discuss about different line coding technique to convert the digital data into digital signal. Okay. So we know that there are four encoding method. That is, in this class I have discussed the four encoding method, that is digital data to digital signal and digital data to analog signal, then analog data to digital signal and analog data to analog signals. And to convert the digital data into digital signal, we use two techniques, that is line coding and block coding. Okay. And there are different line coding scheme is used to convert the digital data into digital signal. So in the next class, we will discuss about line coding scheme. Thank you.